Hello guys and welcome back. I'm Ed from the Gogetyours review channel. So this week I thought I'd take a stroll down to my local B&m home store. B&m is a store that resides within the UK. I was looking around and I came across this little Intempo LED Bluetooth speaker for only £5. That's around $6 in US dollars. I thought I'd take a gamble, seeming as though I previously bought some LED water dancing speakers from the same store, that in turn turned out to be pretty good speakers. The link to that video is in the top right hand corner. So what's it like? Well, let's delve right in, shall we? Outside the box, there is a main image of the Intempo speaker with an example of it lit up. It does say it's colour changing in the bottom right hand corner, and all around the box, well, it's got a pretty modern looking design. To the back, well, we got some specifications. It's not quite clear, but you know what? Let me just put that to the screen. There you go. So the output of this speaker is 3 watts. It has a hands-free microphone built in, Bluetooth 2.1 EDR, which in truth is quite a dated Bluetooth version. Nevertheless, this Bluetooth speaker is described as having a 10-meter Bluetooth range. Inside the box, we have the Bluetooth speaker, which comes protected on either side. Let's move this aside for now. Underneath, we have a micro USB charge cable, a AUX cable, and we have a very detailed Intempo instruction guide. Wow, it's the first time that's folded up neat. Looking at the speaker itself, the outside shell is soft and is in matte black. It has a mesh metal grille to the front, and to the top, well, we have the volume up and next track selection button, volume down and previous track selection, LED light button, the mode button, and the play, pause and hands-free button. To the back, there is an LED indicator light, a micro USB connector port, an on-off switch, one USB 2.0 port, a TF memory card slot, and the AUX input port. This Bluetooth speaker is fitted with an 800 mAh battery, which takes around 3 to 4 hours for a full charge. Pairing is easy. All you have to do is simply flip the switch on the back to the on position. You will hear a startup tone, and now this speaker is in pairing mode. What we're going to do is grab a device. Today is the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. We're going to turn the Bluetooth on, and as you can see here, we're just going to select EE1348. Actually has a low battery indicator. If the battery is low, it will say 10% power remaining. It will give you that same tone, and on your mobile phone or other devices, just show you a notification that this Intempo speaker indeed needs charging. So now that's paired up, let's choose some tracks and let's test the speaker out. Now this LED on the front panel illuminates in different colours, but once a tune is played, the lights will flash and go along with the rhythm of the music. Let's play some tunes and give you guys an example. Okay, right from the off, this speaker was quite clear, but it was soon apparent that it was absolutely lacking any bass whatsoever. Music does get a bit distorted at its highest volume, so yeah, highs are a bit too high, mids are okay, but lows are good. Okay, like I said, the sound quality is clear at some point. When it's turned up to the maximum level, it does let this speaker down. To me, it's just a lackluster gimmick that you'll buy into basically by just looking at the LED lights on the front of the box. I mean, £5 or not, I've actually used and tested out budget speakers ranging from £5 to £15, and they were actually a lot better than the gimmick that you're buying into with the flashing LED lights. However, if you're a kid or if you've got children, then this speaker might just do for them. Maybe for a birthday or a little stocking filler towards Christmas. I mean, as soon as summer's over, guarantee you're in the supermarkets, they'll have those Christmas decorations up before it's even Halloween. But like I said, they could like it, and if they've got a favourite YouTube channel and they want to play it through their phone, yeah, it's not bad for that. It's good for voice, it's good for a bit of music, but if you're expecting heavy bass, then look somewhere else. I mean, for £10, which was its initial original price, I actually have had the speaker in the past, which is this one just here. It hasn't actually got a make to it, but the bass you'll get from this little box is a lot better than this one. But like I said, hope is not all lost with this Intempo speaker. It is very small and handy if you're going to the beach, if you're going camping, if you're going abroad, if you just want something in your room to play some music, you're in Ibiza with your friends, you know, you want boogie down, go down to the beach, whatever. Yeah, it's not actually too bad for that. But don't expect any bass you're gonna get laughed at. And with that said, with my usual rating out of 10, then with this Intempo speaker today, I've simply got to give it a 5 out of 10. I'll go ahead and link this speaker in the video description down below, so go and check it out right now. But what I'm personally going to do, guys, is I'm going to leave some personal links to a few speakers that I can actually suggest to you guys. Go and check it out right now, that's in the video description. And don't forget to comment down below if you've got a speaker like this, the Intempo. What do you think? You might have had it for longer. How long has it lasted? Do your children like it? I don't know. Comment down below, and don't forget, make sure you share this video wherever possible. Smash that like button, subscribe, making sure you hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all my new uploads. I'll see you guys over on my new video coming real soon, stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching. Peace!